When the chips down, my mama said, boy, that's the time to stand up. Them bootstraps, you pull them up with your head command up. A closed mouth, don't get fed, be careful of handouts. You better put your bread up in case your cake don't pan out. Stack chips, rescue ranger, Chippendale, no strip tease. Snowball, chance of hell, meant to fail. Bitch, please look. No long shot, this a layup, land the rim 2 feet. Better cross your heart if it cross your mind.
Welcome back to Off the Streets. Today is the final. We're here super early because Sasha rides way too fast. I blame you for this.
How do I look when I...
You look a bit like a... I was going to say penguin. Penguin, not so much when you got that bit on. I mean, you look like Damon Hill.
So,
Cool.
yeah, well that's the look I'm going for. I'm off the street start. Yeah. See if I can place it down here.
Can I sticky tape a 360 camera to your bike, please?
Sure.
It's kind of aero as well.
Sure.
Welcome to the Off the Streets final. It's quite loud. Is this picking up on the microphone? Might have to come a bit closer.
Up and down. Use the volume.
Bit of a change in format today.
So yeah, we've got head-to-head battles today. So there's 6 of the best riders. So 6 of the best men's fixed, 6 of the best women's fixed, and 6 best of wheelie riders. And then we've got head-to-head. So the winner goes through to the final. The loser, or second place, not loser, goes through to the minor final. Then for the finals, we've got the top 3, the winners of each of their head-to-heads. And then the bottom 3 is for the minor final, 4th to 6th, and same for the wheelie race. Top 3 through to the final, and bottom 3 through to the minor final.
Favourite for the women's race?
Favourite for the women's race, I'd say you'd have to be a bit crazy to say not Sasha, because she was a second quicker than everyone else in the TT.
She's quick, man.
And we've been doing some starts training. So yeah, she's looking good. For the men's race, Sam's been putting in a lot of, I like to say Sam, just depends if he can hold it up. And he's on my wheels as well, so I don't want to see any more crashing, because wheelie guys, I'd say if Jake doesn't win, he's got a lot to answer for. Kizzy as well. Kizzy's giving it the big beans in the briefing, so. Clear the track.
Track and competitors ready.
Whose idea was it to give him the megaphone?
I think it was
Stupid
my
idea.
3 laps, yeah? Yep. No crashes, alright.
Oh shit, what?
2, 1, go.
Focus on a better vision, but a nigga can't progress in these conditions. Lately I've been so conflicted. I really had to work to go and get it. I remember I ain't had no pot to piss, and lately I've been so conflicted.
I'm unhealthy.
You're a photographer now?
Yeah, mate, yeah. Well, I dropped you yesterday and today I'm taking pictures better than you.
I'm not taking pictures.
Moving
technically,
pictures.
yeah.
I'm taking
Moving
moving
pictures.
pictures, yeah.
Hey Jess, how was your race?
Yeah, not great. I couldn't clip in, and then I was following Maddie, and on the first lap I nearly skidded out here, so my back wheel just went ugh. And then I managed to stay upright, but then that kind of fucked the rest.
What did your back wheel do again?
Ugh.
That is a bad thing for your back wheel to do.
That is not a good thing, and I was like, I stayed upright, but then I was really far behind, and then I kind of lost my mojo for the rest of the race. So yeah.
For viewers, you'd think that a go-kart track would be really grippy. It's not, is it?
It's not. It's really not. I thought this week would be better because it's dry, and it's actually, for some reason, it felt worse.
Yeah.
So yeah, not as grippy as one would hope.
Well, I think you did really well anyway,
thank
you
you.
look like you're going fast.
Good.
So.
As long as it looked fast, that's all that matters.
I don't understand how they're still managing to do this.
Because they're actually good at riding bikes. We're
so bad in comparison. They're going as fast as all we would be going on one wheel.
Go on, Jake.
Yes, please.
Just get your hair right. Yeah. Jake, you're the man responsible for the wheelie race.
Some would say.
How did that come about? Where did the idea come from?
Yeah, so really and truly, Matt had been with his team training on this track for a while, and I'd come down to just hang out and do a bit of riding.
Give me a shout out.
Yeah, everybody unfollow George Mew Jensen on Instagram. Don't follow him. Don't follow him. And then Matt basically, reached out and was like, yo, we should do a wheelie race on the track. And I was like, hell yeah, like, we've always wanted to do one, but never thought about it being on a track. We always thought about a wheelie race being on the roads, but it's super cool to kind of take it off the streets, bring it to a track and just like, yeah, literally battle it out, have some friendly competition with other riders in the scene, bring us all together, let us learn about the fixed gear scene and kind of experience that sort of racing too, and bring it all into one big event. So, and it turned out sick.
The video doesn't do it justice.
No, for
the
real.
skills that you guys have, it's amazing.
Like, and the atmosphere, and I think it's just so like, the wheelie race actually just worked out way better than I kind of expected it to. Like it lasts a bit longer, it's tenser, it's like, yeah, it turned out sick. Yeah.
So we're going to see you on a fixed gear?
Yo, soon comes. I was actually going to do it for a
bug?
video. No, I was going to do it for a video for my channel at some point, like learning to ride a fixed gear in London for a day, because like, yo, death wish. Escapee, I'm doing that on that bike. Yo, I would never ride out a corner that quick on a fixed gear. I do want to be able to just ride every kind of standard. It'd be cool to race a fixie one day, innit?
If they do another one of these, you just do both events back to back. Quick bike change. Let's do it.
And where was you in that, mate? On the outside. I literally come fucking round that corner on your inside and just fucked it.
But I see his tail right next to me.
I went to go
fuck that, I'm not moving over.
I went to change the gear down, gear didn't change down. I was like, oh shit. Try to chase it.
And then once you was dropping it as well, you was trying to keep it.
Obviously, I couldn't win my own thing, you know.
Oh, okay, I get it. Yeah.
That's why he entered.
You know what I mean?
Perfect. I think I'm just going to let them crash, and it fucking worked perfectly. Come on. Go on, Alex.
They're not jeans, they're corduroys, bro. My chest is booming right now.
I was intense watching it. My heart rate's up. Oh, bit.
Thanks, man. Great rides, man. That was sick.
Yeah, that
Came around that last first turn on the last bend, my wheels just went, I was like, fuck. It's like last S-bend just booped it, and then you just came in the side. I was like, fuck. I was going, you know what? I was actually like, fuck, he's played this real smart, because you were leaving the door open every lap. And on the last lap, you kept it tight, and I was like, fuck, I'm going to have to lunge him real hard. And I was like, fuck it!
I'd like to say to Sam, thank you for not breaking my wheels. It's very appreciated. There's a couple of holes in the tyres though, so that's another 50 quid. Let's check the rear one, another 50 quid, £100.
On that, so.
Hey, big up George! Yeah!
The People's Champ. Yeah, the People's Champion, Alec Pedler. I mean, he's not my champion. I wouldn't consider myself to be part of the people. He's like the Prince of bikes. Sorry, you're the Prince of cycling, Francis, and he is the just the People's Champ. And you're, you know, the. Is that the end of your video? Yeah, you're good.
Thanks, mate.
It's alright.
Lately I've been so conflicted. And even then, I represent you all proudly because I know it's way bigger than you and me. It's about us and them.